How to buy from Eldorado GG 2026 steps. In this video I am going to teach you how to buy from Eldorado GG step by step. Whether you're purchasing game currency, in-game items, accounts, or boosting services, this guide will show you how to complete your order safely. First, open your web browser and go to the Eldorado GG website. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up and create one using your email address or a supported sign-in method. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Once you're logged in, use the search bar or browse the available categories to find the game you're interested in. Next, choose what you want to buy. Depending on the game, you may see options for in-game currency, items, accounts, gift cards, or game services such as boosting. Select the category that matches your needs. Now browse the available listings. Each listing includes important details such as the price, quantity, estimated delivery time, and the seller's rating and completed orders. Take a moment to compare different sellers before making your decision. Eldorado recommends checking seller ratings and reviews to help you choose a reliable seller. Cambridge Dictionary 1. After you've found a suitable listing, click Buy Now. Review your order details carefully. If the seller has included any delivery instructions or requirements, read them before continuing. Next, click Proceed to checkout. Choose your preferred payment method. Eldorado GG supports multiple payment options which may vary depending on your country and region. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment securely. Cambridge Dictionary 1. After your payment is confirmed, your order will appear in the Orders section of your account. If the purchase requires communication with the seller, open the order chat and provide any requested information, such as your in-game username or character name. Never share sensitive information like your game account password unless it's specifically required for a service and you're comfortable with the risks. Follow the seller's instructions carefully. Once the seller delivers your order, verify that you've received everything as described. If everything is correct, confirm the delivery and complete the transaction. If there's a problem, use Eldorado GG's dispute system before confirming the order so their support team can review the case. Cambridge Dictionary 1. Here's a pro tip. Always buy from sellers with high ratings, a large number of completed orders, and positive customer reviews. This can help you have a smoother purchasing experience. That's how to buy from Eldorado GG. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.